What's up, guys? Today I'm going to talk to you about guaranteed delivery because eBay just changed the requirements for guaranteed delivery, and these changes mean that guaranteed delivery is now something that dropshippers can offer. So let me explain a little bit about what guaranteed delivery is before I read this letter from eBay. So if we go into eBay, we can search for an item, right? I'm going to search for Super Nintendo. I now have the option right here of enabling guaranteed 3-day delivery. This is going to only show items that can arrive in three days, okay? But look at these results here. We're talking about a Super Nintendo console. This search term has 9,944 results. Look what happens when we click guaranteed 3-day delivery. It goes down to 35. So while I do think that it is possible that eBay is pushing this and it will do more for your business later in the future, I don't think that there's a whole lot of eBay customers necessarily who are going to be using this straight away because it's a fairly recent feature. Just from what I've learned about people, like, people don't really like change. Most people don't. They stick with kind of whatever they've been doing, and eventually with time they do start changing, but it really does take a long time for most people to start using or doing something differently, especially when it's something habitual like their eBay usage, right? So also the buyers at first are gonna notice that when you enable it, there's so few results, right? But we'll see. So now let's read the label. Okay, let's read the notification. eBay labels no longer required when offering guaranteed delivery. Sellers can now use the labels platform of their choice when they offer eBay guaranteed delivery. This waives the previous requirement that sellers must use eBay labels within the handling time, or with the handling time option. While we're lifting the requirement to use eBay labels, all performance standards still apply. For this reason, you may prefer the eBay labels platform because it automatically uploads tracking information. This can help you meet the minimum program requirements for 97% on-time handling and 95% on-time tracking. eBay research shows that guaranteed delivery dates are second in importance to buyers behind free shipping. With guaranteed delivery, you can guarantee delivery dates and increase your visibility in search results. And now we hope you get even more out of the experience with more choices for shipping label platforms. Awesome. Long story short, they used to require that you buy the label to ship the item on eBay if you wanted to do the guaranteed delivery program as a seller. Now you can use your own labels. So we've gone over this, the update. We've gone over that dropshippers could technically do this now. So now let's go into how you would actually go into guaranteed delivery. Guaranteed delivery is something that you have to opt into and then pick the listings that you want it to be on. So for the opt-in features of eBay, I actually usually do a Google search. Opt-in guaranteed delivery. Whoops. Typos and all. We should be able to opt in over here. Yeah, here we go. So that, like I said, go to Google for any opt-in things like business policies or any opt-in related stuff, and then Google it instead of trying to remember where to find it in eBay, because it's often easier to find it through Google that way. Okay, so it looks like I have guaranteed delivery enabled, but I don't actually. I just got halfway through doing the program. So you can see here that you can pick either door-to-door guarantee or handling time guarantee. So a handling time guarantee means that you promise that you're going to ship the item within a certain date, and that's what it's more based on. Whereas the door-to-door guarantee indicates that, like, there's going to be certain regions that you can ship to quickly, but not other regions. So basically, like, if you're based on the East Coast, then you're going to have guaranteed delivery to the East Coast, but not to the West Coast. Yeah. So if you pick either one, then you would go to continue, and then you could go to your manage listings. Okay. Okay, so for this option, for the handling time option, then you don't have to pick the listings. It just automatically does it for any eligible listings. That's good to know. All right, cool. I just wanted to give you guys an update. See you next time. Ciao.